On April 25th, 2015, the Nepal earthquake killed 9,000 people and injured another 22,000. Total damage was estimated at $10 billion and wiped out much of the cultural heritage. I take a look at some of the impacts here. Okay, one important site in Kathmandu is Hanuman, the monkey god, Durbar Square. It's got many temples, and behind me was Kathmandu temple. It was made in one single tree. Yes, but in 2015, the earthquake demolished it. Yep. They took the god out and put it somewhere else.
Yeah.
And one way that tourists can help nowadays is through the admission fee. So I paid 1,000 Nepalese rupee to come in, and some of that money will go to restoring, to rebuilding some of these temples that were knocked down in the earthquake.
Thank you.
So, for example, the temple here, what's the name?
That is now a senior subtle, the original.
That's the original dancer.
No, there's music.
Yeah, the music
the
temple.
Nasal temple.
That's the right. So the restoration money is going for the rebuild.
For that. Everything. And called Das Avatar. Das Avatar means 10 different reincarnation god goddess drama. So this temple built for that 1690. You can see the behind this temple they got name called Garuda. You can see for this temple name called Maju Dega. Maju means Lord God Shiva, Dega means temple. So this temple built for that 17th century. That's Hindu temple. One after 1960, 70, so Kathmandu have a lot of hippie. One hippie live of a freak street, just near to 2-minute walk. Hippie live, small hotel, small lodge. The hippie come to the morning, going to buy hashish grass. Then hippie go top, step for 9 step. They take the sun bar, they play guitar, maybe smoking hashish grass. Now this temple, the nickname called Hippie Temple.
In the aftermath of the earthquake, many countries came to Nepal's aid. China, for example, offered 3 billion yuan or $483 million in the recovery process. Also in Durbar Square is Kumari Gar. This 3-story brick building was built in 1757. The Kumari is a young girl believed to be the incarnation of the demon-slaying Hindu goddess Durga. She leaves that temple only a few times a year for festivals, and her feet never touch the ground. Gadi Baitak, shown here, has been reconstructed with American aid funds.
Also, you can see the behind this temple, the name called Shiva or Parvati. Shiva of the white one, Parvati means Shiva wife.
So they've come out to the window to have a look to see what's going on. And inside, there's 9
different reincarnation goddess.
There you go.
The name called No Durga.
This one here is a Bodhi tree, just like the one that Buddha sat underneath and gained enlightenment. And behind that is a Shiva temple. It's only open in the morning. Yeah. Now it's closed. This temple is for Hanuman, the monkey god. It's being financed or refinanced, the construction, with JICA, the Japanese aid organization. So it looks like different countries are helping reconstruct different temples. We saw the US, China, now this one, Japan.
Also Germany.
Or Germany or somewhere else. Here we see some holy pigeon.
Holy pigeon. People have to feed them.
People have to feed them.
They come here, they buy for corn flour, the offering.
So you can buy them, but I'm worried that it might lead to holy shit. Yeah, that could be problematic. Okay, so tourism is a great way to meet people that you would never meet at home. And I've made a new friend here as I've been looking around. Hanuman-dhoka. So, yeah. Such is my visit to Kathmandu. Thank you. So that's a look around Hanuman-dhoka Durbar Square at some of the attractions and the subsequent devastation since the earthquake. The reconstruction effort of some of the temples is undertaken by many different governments, and the tourism dollars also helped contribute to the rebuilding effort.